Morning dear students, we have completed our exercise 2.2 and today we are going to start exercise 2.3 and here is the first one for you. Solve the following. Students, in the previous exercise we have done the multiplication of the fraction one and today we are going to do the division. Correct? So the first one is 3 upon 8 divided by 15 upon 24. So 3 upon 8. If division is there, then it will change into multiply and this will be reverse of it, means reciprocal. So 24 upon 15. Now just cancel it. As I told you, in multiplication it can cancel like this, like this, like this and like this, not like this and this. Correct? So 3 5s are 15 and 8 3s are 24. We get here 3 upon 5. Second one, 7 upon 12. Divide is there, so multiply. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will come into numerator. So just cancel it. 7 3s are 21 and 12 3s are 36 and then 3 will get cancelled. Your answer will be only 1. 1 is remain in a numerator also, 1 is remain in the denominator also. So 1 upon 1 can be written as 1. Same C1, 7 upon 11 divided by 14 upon 22. 7 upon 11 divide will change into multiply, 22 upon 14. So 7 2s are 14 and 11 2s are 22. Again 2 and 2 will get cancelled. The answer will be 1 itself. Now this, see, this one is mixed fraction here. So first of all change it into improper. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 19, 19 upon 4 divided by 8. Same 19 upon 4 divide will change into multiply, multiply 1 upon 8. So this will be 19 upon 32. Next one is 5 2s are 10, 10 and 1 11 upon 12 divided by 10. Divide means multiply. So multiply 1 upon 10. Nothing is getting cancelled, so just simply multiply it. The answer will be 11 upon 20. Although this is a proper fraction, if it would be an improper fraction, then you can also change your answer in mixed term. Next one, 15 divided by 6 as a whole, 3 upon 7. 15 divided by 7, 6 7s are 42 and 3, 45 upon 7. So this will be 15 multiplied by 7 upon 45. So 15 3s is 45. You get here 7 upon 3. So 7 upon 3, as I told you, if it is an improper fraction, you change it into mixed term also. So this will be 2 as a whole, 1 upon 3. I hope this is clear to all. Now moving forward to the next is BODMAS one rule. So it is not given here, so you have to apply the BODMAS rule. But always remember, if such type of questions are there, then you have to solve it in a systematic way. Don't just simply start from where you want to do. Just solve it in a systematic way so that you don't make mistakes. So the question is, simplify the following. 4 upon 9 divided by, in bracket it is 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. So according to the rule of BODMAS, first of all we have to solve the brackets. So now 5 will be the this one LCM. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 will be 5. So it will be 5 upon 5. If you want, you can cancel here also. This will be 1. So the answer will be 4 upon 9 only. Correct? Now the next one. See, next one is division over here. First of all, division according to rule of BODMAS also you have to change this. So division, it will change into multiplication. 24 will go up and 9 will come in denominator. So 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24 and 3 and 3 cancel. So here you are left with only 1 and 7 upon 8 into 1 will be 7 upon 8 will be your answer. Next one you see, 4 as a whole, 2 upon 5, 5 4s are 20, 22 upon 5, 6 7s are 42, 44 upon 7, 9 7s are 63 or 2, 65 upon 9. So here you get 22 upon 5. 7 6 are 42 and 2, 44 upon 7. Here you get 9 7 are 63 and 2, 65 upon 9. So first, as I told you, first division one you have to sort out. So this will be multiply 7 upon 44. So 22 2s are 44. You are left this side with 7 upon 10. And this side will be 65 upon 9. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now nothing is getting cancelled, so just simply multiply it. 7 into 13 upon 2 into 9. So that will be 91 upon 18. Coming to the next is 3 as a whole, 1 upon 4 divided by 26 upon 16 multiply 8 upon 13. So 4 3s are 12 and 1, 13 upon 4 divided by 26 upon 16 multiply by 8 upon 13. So as it is division, it will change into multiplication. 16 will go up and 26 will come down. 13 2s are 26 and 4 4s are 16 and then 2 2s are 4. So you get here 2 into 8 upon 13. 8 2s are 16 upon 13. As nothing is getting cancelled, it is an improper fraction. If you want, you can change it into mixed term also. The next one is 4 upon 5 multiply 6 upon 7 divided by 4 upon 21. So 4 upon 5 multiply 6 upon 7. Divide will change into multiply 21 upon 4. So 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 3 3s are 9 and 1 into 2 will be 2. So 4 upon 5 multiply by 9 upon 2. So 2 2s are 4 and nothing is getting cancelled now. So 9 2s are 18 upon 5. This is also improper fraction. If you want, you can change it into mixed term also. And see, this is the only assignment question. Only 3 questions I have given you. But students, always remember, whatever the things I am teaching you through your videos, you have to do each work in your notebook. Don't forget to do that work also, because this work is very much important, as we are not going to repeat it again and again. I am telling you the same thing. We are not going to repeat this work again in classes when the school will reopen. So all of you, please be punctual and be regular. As I am saying this, because still, in spite of many of my calls to you all, many of you are not submitting your notebook work to me on WhatsApp. It is very disappointing, students. Please complete your work, and whenever I ask you for your work on my WhatsApp, you have to send me positively, as still, in spite of my call, many of you have not sent your work on WhatsApp. So please be regular and be punctual. It is only for you all. Thank you all.